Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and it is day 3 of 12 Days of Arts and Coffees. That's where I do an art or craft while drinking some interesting coffees. That means we gotta pick out a coffee. Alright, let's shuffle it up. What do we get? What do we get? We got White Christmas. Ooh, I wonder what that tastes like. I'm gonna go make my coffee and pick out the next gift to open. Alright, I got my coffee. It smells an awful lot like hazelnut or like a caramel popcorn kind of scent, and I absolutely hate those flavors, so here we go. Well, I don't really know what it tastes like. Kind of sweet, kind of dry, you know, the hazelnut and popcorn flavors. A little bit of fresh at the end. So here's the gift I picked out today. It makes a noise. I'm a little scared that it's a lot of tiny pieces. Why is there 3 in here? Why is there 3 in here? Oh my god. Oh my god. No, they're so cute. So we have a little chameleon. And I'm not sure what that fish is in there, but there's like a fish and a crab in here. And we got a little turtle tank. For those of you who don't know, I actually have a turtle who lives in a tank. His name is Truffles.
Takes too long to do one.
So Knock herself just said if it takes too long, just do one. Okay, I guess I'll start with this one because I think out of the 3 of them, I like it the least, but I like them all kind of thing. So let's get to building. You know what? For this one, I'm going to set up the other webcam so you guys can like see both perspectives at the same time. Okay, I put a little camera up right here. The colors are a bit off. I can't do much with them. I tried fixing it, but my hand color is more accurate in the little camera, but the background is more accurate in the big camera. I don't know what that's about. But we're gonna get building here. Oh, right, let's read it. Tiny tanks, whole ecosystems, and an itty-bitty block build. There are only 42 pieces. And there are only 3 tanks to collect. So I collected them all. Go me. Alright, where are the instructions? Let's see how this is gonna go. Alright. How many steps are there? Wow, there's only 7 steps. That is crazy. Wow, all of these are in their own individual baggies. What a waste. Oh my god, I can't even open them. They're tough baggies. I'm sure it's so they don't scrape each other because they're all clear. So I like to sort my pieces by color, but there's not a whole lot of colors to pick from. Are these brushes? Oh, like straight up little brush pieces? Okay, step 1. We need the gray pieces. This would be a lot easier if I don't have that bend right there. Okay, we need the one that says aquarium. Go in the front. Okay, and then we get the corners in. Gosh, can you see what I'm doing in the other camera? Honestly, we might not need that other camera. Or here. Next, we need this. You're wondering, they're a little bit harder to get together than Lego brand. I did this backwards. No wonder it wouldn't go in right. And then we put it on top of this piece. And we put this guy on a cone. The brushes on... What color is that? Pink, I guess? Looks kind of brown. Put them next to each other. Put this in front of them. Oops. And this is here. So this is what we got so far. Next, we make a little flower bundle. We put the crab on a yellow. It's like it kind of goes here. All right, we're already on to step 5 out of 7. That's crazy. Okay, so we put this on a white one. We put like white guy there. Oh, we need the arm. Where'd the arm go? The arm holds the fish, apparently. Interesting. That's cute. Cute way to do that. It kind of looks like they have this in between the spots and not directly in them. Like that. Okay, so now... Alright, before we close this off, there's no point in us not using this little flower here, so I'm gonna just pop it in there. It's an extra piece. Come on. Go down. That piece did not want to go in there. That's crazy. I'm actually going to move this to like a proper post to set this on. Let me stack these on the sides. I probably should have done the sides first. But it's okay. Oh, that flower is ruining our lives. Oh gosh, I can't do anything with it. That's why I have tools. After all that, I'm gonna take this flower out and not use it. Yeah, there's not really a good place to put it, I guess. And then last, I guess we put these pieces on. There's no top. This sticks out. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. So little, so cute. I do wish this wasn't sticking out, though. Like, did I do something wrong? No, that's how far down it goes. Well, it's so cute. Let's do the next ones. Okay, I think... God, it's hard to decide because, you know, turtles. I have a turtle and I like the color orange. But the chameleon has a mushroom. I think I'm going to do the chameleon next. Alright, let's get it open and sorted. This one has 37 pieces, so that's a couple pieces less than the last one. Look at the instructions. And there are 8. There's 8 steps this time, but there's less pieces. Alright, we gotta open all these packs again. Oi. What? These 2 pieces are already kissing. How dare they? Alright, so I got these pieces that go like this. I already didn't do it right. Go in. That's why we have instructions. A little looking platform thing. I guess I just pop this right on top. Like that. Little cone goes with the mushroom. Gonna build a little rose looking thing. And we have another one of these with the cone that goes between the flowers here. That's interesting. I want me to put this in between the spots. You have the little wedge near here. There's a frog. There is a frog. Oh my god. A little bit more refined than the Lego one. Like I can see the indentions a little bit better, but it's very close to the Lego frog. Like right next to this here. Like that. Need the other one. Oh, look at it. So cute. Pop this leaf on this other leaf thing. I mean, I have the colors swapped. It's fine though. Easy fix. Just turn it around. I think it goes about right there. Maybe it's one more in, but I don't know how to fit it in there. Oh, I didn't even put the little tiny twig here. So cute. All right, moment of truth. Is this leaf in the wrong spot here? No, it actually... Oh! Holy crap. I was trying to say it actually went on this time, but I saw it was lifted a little bit. Okay, easy fix. It was just a surprise. Get that chiefer out of there. Alright, we're gonna do the sides first this time because they were difficult to shift in there. These, like, clear pieces have been the most difficult ones to get on. Need, like, a hammer or something. Get on here. Done. Look at how cute. Alright, last we got the turtle. Wait, I need to catch up on drinking this coffee because this video is almost over. This one has 40 pieces. So it's right in between the two. And there are 8 steps. Gotta open all these now. Again. This is the worst part, how much plastic they made for this. Oh, it's not actually orange. Oh my god. Just tear it off. It's like more that yellowy color. It's close to being saffron, but not quite there. See, when I saw this, I was expecting like closer to my glove, less close to yellow. I mean, it's not that far off from the box. It's just still not quite there. All right, let's sort these out. There's another crab. We need the gray pieces. We only want part of the gray pieces. Interesting. We want the long one like that. Well, is one of these. Okay, I kind of have to figure out where the long pieces go. This small one to go on. And I assumed they didn't want them like lining up. You know what I mean? Okay, now we do the other half. I guess we needed this in 2 steps for some reason. Now I go to all base. Oh my god, now we make like a huge cluster thing. Goes on the tip here, and this one goes on top of the green one. I can get it in there. I guess that's as far as that goes. Then the crab. Alright. And it goes about there. Whoops. Just throwing my other aquariums around, don't worry about it. This goes like in between the bushes. And put this little flower thingy on top of this little thingy. I don't have this in the right spot. That means this isn't quite right. I get a little confused at how this thing is on here. Why am I hurting myself when I have tools? Oh, I think it wants it in between this one here. All right, it makes more sense now. That's what I was missing. Put that little flower on the leaf. It goes in between right here. I can get it in there. And then turtle. How does turtle get in there? Turtle actually go? Oh, turtle does actually go on a piece. Like, is this not where it's supposed to be now? Of course. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got the turtle in here, but I don't think this crab is still where it's supposed to be. I feel like I have this in the right spot, but like nothing else is matching up to it. All right, hopefully that's the last time I'm gonna mess with that because we're out of pieces. Then we do our usual sides. Wait a second. Oh, you're gonna change the tank up on me last minute, I see. The long pieces go on the sides this time. Oh no, not our crab. We had it perfect. Look at how cute. Wish the turtle was a bit more of a star. I don't think they can move over just because the little feet are gonna be where we put the clear part on. That wouldn't go on right. Let's take a look at all of them. We got our fishy and crab. This one's the biggest one. Our chameleon. And our turtle. So cute. Trying to get them all out of the glare is a tough one. Well, coffee's gone. That must mean the project's done. I am actually going to rate that coffee like a 4 out of 5 cheat heads because even though I suspect it might be Cracker Jack or something, I kind of did like it. Despite me hating like popcorn and hazelnut and peanut butter like flavors, it wasn't bad. And for this particular project, I'm going to rate it a 4 out of 5 cheat heads just because it was a little difficult getting some of the pieces together. If they had been like Lego quality, it would have absolutely been a 5 out of 5. But because it was just a little hard on my hands, gotta take a cheat face off for that. But that's gonna be it for me today. If you guys want to check out the previous day of 12 Days of Arts and Coffees, you could tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you mentioned, you could tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!